Hi guys, and welcome to another video with me. Today we will be playing with the one and only microbit, and I have already connected it, as you can see, to the computer. And I'm using a Mac. So with a microbit, the only things you can use on a microbit are either the best actually are either PC or Mac, because Chrome OS and Android don't really work as well as PC or MacBook. So we will start here on the home page, or the create page, with our little buddy Scratch, and we will start working. So first you have to press after you have connected it and download a Scratch link. To download Scratch link, you go to scratch.mit.edu/microbit and follow the instructions on screen. So we will press click and we will press microbit. It will have to move this, connect, and my microbit is connected. Look, you will see your microbit just turn off. Like there's none of the LEDs are on. Press go to editor. And we're back with the microbit. If you click here, there should be a check mark. If there is not a check mark, click it and connect your microbit. So now we will create a little game. It's a very short game, very short tutorial game, just to make a little fun. Just a little fun, not much. So when the A button is pressed, we will display a heart. When the B button is pressed, we will display a star. So I haven't actually tried to make a star yet, because it's quite challenging. No, that looks horrible. Okay, let's say something else inside of a star. Maybe an O. Does that look like an O? I hope it does. Okay, there we go. There we go. Look. I worked on a microbit. And okay, that works. Then we will do a little thing so we make sure it turns off the LEDs so it doesn't like stay displayed forever. Maybe let's wait 5 seconds and then clear display. That will make all the LEDs turn off. So we just duplicate that. There we go. Here we have it. So now let's save it. Okay, and let's start the game. Bye sprite. Oh, oops. Okay, let's do that again. I messed up. Yay. Okay. I messed up, oddly. Okay, and then let's make another one. Let's hope that doesn't happen again. B button pressed. Wait. Oh. Display. What are we displaying? Let's display something else. How about let's do an O again, actually. If it doesn't work, we're not going to do the O next time. I'm already annoyed with the O for failing me. Let's hope it doesn't happen again. Bam. There we go. And we are back with the microbit. And we click play button. We click A button, and a heart appears. It will disappear. Oh, oops. Forgot about the disappear. Forgot to make it disappear. Clear display, which, as I have said before, clears the display. Okay, now let's try that again. Should clear display after 5 seconds, or it messed up big time, which probably will happen. It has happened. Press the B button. Okay, it worked. Okay, now I'm going to add a little more thing, just one little extra thing, before we end the video for today. When clicked, clear display. So when I press the flag, it will be a bit easier. If if the microbit glitches or something, I can just reset the flag and it will clear the display with the flag. With pressing the green flag. So now I will show a little bit. Play button. Press the B button. There's an O. Press the A button. There's a heart. Oh, it's playing both of them at the same time. Well, I glitched it. Great. Okay. Fixed it. Okay. That is it for today. So I will see you next time with the microbit, guys. It might be a bit longer next time. I hope so too. That's all I can have for today. Bye, guys.